In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a custom t-shirt in Canva and export with a transparent background. Open Canva in your browser, and once you're on the home page, head straight to the search bar. Type in t-shirt and press enter. This pulls up a ready-made canvas size tailored for shirt designs, along with a library of templates. You can pick a template if you want a head start, or choose the blank t-shirt to build your design from scratch. Let's add your message first. Click text on the left panel and choose a style, like a heading or one of the pre-made font combinations. Replace the placeholder text with your phrase. Short, bold wording generally reads best on fabric, so keep it punchy. Adjust the size using the handles or the font size menu, and use the alignment guides to keep everything centered. You can also fine-tune letter spacing for a cleaner look. Now bring in visuals. Click elements on the left, then search with keywords such as t-shirt graphic, retro, or minimal to match your vibe. Combine icons, shapes, or illustrations that complement your text rather than compete with it. Keep an eye on licensing labels and choose artwork that fits your intended use. Simpler graphics often print more cleanly and are easier to position on the chest area. Customize your palette with the color picker in the top toolbar. Choose colors with good contrast so your design stands out on the shirt color you have in mind. If you already have brand colors, you can enter their hex codes. Try limiting yourself to a few colors for a cohesive, print-friendly result. Make sure your layout fits the canvas nicely. Resize elements so the design fills the space without crowding the edges. Leaving some margin helps the design breathe and translates well to most print areas. If you've brought in a photo or a graphic with an unwanted background, select it, click Edit Photo, then use Background Remover. This tool helps isolate your subject so only the design remains. You can refine the edges using the erase and restore brushes if needed. Note that background removal may require a paid plan. When your layout looks right, select all elements and click Group in the top right. Grouping locks everything together, so you can resize or move the design as one unit without losing alignment. To export, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG, toggle on Transparent Background, and click Download. A transparent PNG ensures there's no white box, just your design, ready for printing or mock-ups. And that's your t-shirt design, clean, cohesive, and print-ready.